Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Personalization right away. Now you need to tap on Themes section on the left and tap on one of those available themes in order to apply the best one. You can get even more of them from Microsoft Store. So when I tap and go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed. You can also go to the same settings, but this time adjust all of those options located next to your current theme. Let's start with background. Click on Slideshow under Background and select the best option for you. Slideshow, Solid Color or Picture. After clicking on Solid Color, you can pick one of the available ones or tap on this plus next to Custom Color to adjust it. Save it by tapping on Done. By selecting Picture though, you can click on Browse and pick any photo from your device, or just click on one of the available ones. Then tap on Choose a Feed and decide which one you wish to try. Then click on the back button at the top left corner. Now select Color. Click on Choose Your Color and pick one of those options. After selecting Custom, you can adjust all of them. If you want to, instead of selecting one of those colors, you can tap on this square next to automatically pick an accent color for my background. You can also disable it by clicking on the same square, now with a check mark. Then select Custom Color and save it by tapping on Done, or just picking one of those. When you're done, click on the back button again. Select Sounds. Pick the best one from the list of available ones and save it by hitting OK. Then click on Mouse Cursor and do exactly the same. Click on the best one and tap on OK. Lastly, tap on Save Theme. So when I do that, I get to name it and tap on Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created and applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!